Exploring the rich art, music, and cultural heritage of the Czech Republic. Crash course on the Czech Republic. Nestled in the heart of Europe, the Czech Republic is a country that boasts a rich history, captivating landscapes, and a vibrant cultural scene. From its stunning architecture to its renowned museums and festivals, the Czech Republic is a treasure trove of artistic wonders that beckon travelers from all corners of the globe. Art and museums. The Czech Republic's art history is a tapestry woven with brilliance and creativity. From the masterpieces of Alphonse Mucha, the iconic Art Nouveau painter, to the timeless works of Czech Cubism and Surrealism, the nation's artistic heritage spans centuries and artistic movements. Renowned museums like the National Gallery and the Museum of Decorative Arts in Prague showcase an impressive collection of paintings, sculptures, and crafts that provide a glimpse into the country's artistic past. Music and performing arts. The Czech Republic's music scene is equally enchanting, with a strong emphasis on classical music. The melodies of composers like Antonín Dvořák and Bedřich Smetana have left an indelible mark on the world of music. The Estates Theatre in Prague, where Mozart premiered his masterpiece, Don Giovanni, stands as a testament to the country's deep-rooted love for music and the performing arts. Cultural festivals and traditions. The Czech Republic celebrates its cultural heritage through a variety of festivals and traditions. The Prague Spring International Music Festival brings together world-class musicians and orchestras, filling the city's streets with harmonious symphonies. The Karlovy Vary International Film Festival, one of the oldest film festivals in the world, showcases a captivating array of cinematic creations from diverse cultures. Local customs and etiquette. As a visitor to the Czech Republic, it's essential to familiarize oneself with the local customs and etiquette. A firm handshake and direct eye contact are customary when greeting someone, while addressing others by their last name is a sign of respect. When dining, it's polite to wait for the host to offer a toast before taking the first sip. Understanding and respecting these cultural norms will ensure a pleasant and meaningful experience in the country. Must-visit cities and hidden gems. The Czech Republic's capital, Prague, is a city of architectural marvels, with its stunning Prague Castle dominating the skyline. Strolling through the picturesque streets of Český Krumlov, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, transports visitors back in time with its charming medieval architecture. Brno, the country's second-largest city, is a vibrant hub of cultural events and festivities, making it a hidden gem for art and music enthusiasts. Travel itineraries and budget-friendly options. For travelers seeking to explore beyond the major cities, day trips and excursions to nearby attractions are abundant. The Karlstein Castle, just a short drive from Prague, offers a captivating journey into medieval history. The Bohemian Paradise, with its lush forests and sandstone formations, is a haven for nature lovers. Exploring the Moravian wine region presents an opportunity to taste some of the country's finest wines. In summary, the Czech Republic's art, music, and cultural heritage offer a window into its soul. With its stunning landscapes, vibrant festivals, and historic landmarks, the country beckons travelers to embark on an unforgettable journey of exploration and discovery. Verse 1. In the heart of Europe, a treasure lies. A land of art and music that'll mesmerize. The Czech Republic, a cultural embrace. Where history and traditions interlace. Chorus. Oh, Czech Republic, your beauty shines. From art to music, your soul defines. With festivals and customs to excite. A land of wonders, a pure delight. Verse 2. Paintings and sculptures, a visual dance. Alphonse Mucha's grace, a true romance. From Cubism to Surrealism's dream. In galleries, the past and present gleam. Chorus. Oh, Czech Republic, your beauty shines. From art to music, your soul defines. With festivals and customs to excite. A land of wonders, a pure delight. Bridge. The melodies of Dvořák's sweet refrain echo through valleys and hills remain. The Estates Theatre, a legacy's tale. Where Mozart's genius once set sail. Verse 3. Prague Spring's music fills the air. Harmonies soaring, hearts to ensnare. Karlovy Vary's film festivals embrace. A celebration of cultures, a cinematic chase. Chorus. Oh, Czech Republic, your beauty shines. From art to music, your soul defines. With festivals and customs to excite. A land of wonders, a pure delight. Verse 4. In etiquette and customs, we're guided. A handshake firm, respect provided. Český Krumlov's streets, a charming stroll. A medieval gem that captures the soul. Chorus. Oh, Czech Republic, your beauty shines. From art to music, your soul defines. With festivals and customs to excite. A land of wonders, a pure delight. Outro. So let's explore the gems unseen. The Czech Republic, a timeless dream. In every corner, a story to be told. A land of art and culture, a world to behold. Asterisk, asterisk, asterisk. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for the kind support of our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.